Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So it seems that today is browser update day, and the Brave web browser for desktop has also received an update, which is now the first point release update for version 1.56, which rolled out last week. And version 1.56 is the latest stable release, and I'll leave that video I did post on that version upgrade down below if you'd like to go check that out. Now, if you would like to see if you have this update, as always, with Brave, we'll head to our main menu, click on About Brave, and this process, if it hasn't done so already, will update you to the latest version in bold, which for the browser is 1.56.11. And this update is an update for the Chromium platform, which the browser is based on, which bumps the version in bold to 115.0.5790.102. So it's a point release and is exactly the same as the Google Chrome web browser, which, as I posted on late last week, is one of those strange updates that rolled out for Chrome, which is now applied to Brave because it is based on that open source Chromium platform, where the release notes don't actually tell us exactly what this update does include. Now, the Android update for Chrome rolled out after I did post last week, and that says that the release does include stability and performance improvements. So as I did mention late last week with Google Chrome, we can now say that this Chromium platform update for Brave is a non-security update that includes stability and performance improvements. So if you have experienced any issues since upgrading to version 1.56, which rolled out last week, any bugs, stability issues, performance issues, and so on, just double check your browser's up to date, because this latest Chromium bug fix update will address those issues. And this update, as mentioned, rolled out on the 21st of July, and just wanted to bring it to your attention. You would have received this update already, but nonetheless, just to keep you posted if you are using the Brave web browser. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.